Hi, Georgina from Twinkl here, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the maths games that we have on our website. Maths games are great for learning because they make it fun and interactive, and games can also be brilliant for practicing communication skills between children. So let's go and have a look at some of the ones that we've got. We've got this great theme park problem solving board game. You'll need to print the boards and the question cards. The question cards have got the answers on the back, so children could play without an adult present to check their answers. You'll also need a dice, but if you don't have one at home, don't worry, you can print a net dice off our website. You could print our theme park wagon counters, or you could use something else such as a pom-pom. The first player will roll the dice and move the counter the amount of spots on the dice. The second player will then have a turn. If a player lands on a question card, they'll need to pick a question and answer it. If they get the question right, they can move forward 3 spaces, but if they get it wrong, they'll need to move back 3 spaces. First player back to the super ride wins. How about using this missing numbers game for counting to 100? You'll need to cover numbers on the board with the shape, and children have to write down or say the numbers that are missing. They'll get a point for each number that they identify. Another way that you could use this game is by getting your children to find 2 numbers that add together to make the number on the whiteboard. We even have interactive maths games on our website. When you open them, they'll give you the option of easy, medium or harder level, represented by stars. On this game, children have to match the amount of dots to the correct number. You could use interactive games to test your child's ability of a skill after you've taught it to them. For example, with this money game, in which children have to match the right amount of coins with the correct price. We've got lots more maths games on our website, so just go and take a look. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.